Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert your Excel files into PDF documents. It's a straightforward process that allows you to share your data in a universally accessible format. We'll cover the basic steps for exporting, ensuring your spreadsheets look exactly as intended. This method is perfect for creating static reports or sharing information without worrying about formatting changes. Once you're ready to save, you have several options to customize your PDF output. You can adjust the page orientation to portrait or landscape, modify margins, and even scale your content to fit on one page. These settings are crucial for ensuring your data is presented clearly and professionally in the final PDF document. For more control, explore the advanced PDF options. You can choose to publish only specific sheets or a defined print area rather than the entire workbook. This is incredibly useful for creating focused reports from larger datasets. Just click the Options button in the Save as dialog box to access these powerful settings and tailor your output precisely. Sometimes, your PDF might not look exactly as expected. A common issue is content being cut off. Check your print area and scaling settings. Always preview your PDF before saving to catch any formatting errors. Taking these few extra steps ensures your Excel data is perfectly preserved and presented in a high-quality, professional PDF document every single time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.